minutes and nothing.
Dude, my hands are starting so weird.
It's all part of the process. It's all part of the process.
Hey, Brian, I know you're trying to suck it in, but still.
Man, I see it. It's caving, concaving in.
I'm going double.
Okay.
I do not.
That's hard.
Hey, if you go double, you better make for sure you get it around the middle of that thing.
I am gonna get it over the middle if I have to.
In the back, Michael, work at it in the back. Put it. There you go.
There.
It's your turn anyway.
We lost.
Wow, man.
There's a lot to see. I want this gift. I don't. I want some pie.
Want some pie, kids? Oh! Yes! Yes! Success! Did you get it, Brian?
I got it.
The last shall be first, brother. Woo! High five for you. Dude, that's awesome.
That was good.
Oh, that was awesome, man. Cool stuff. All right, man. Winner, gift card, iTunes for you.
The one. I don't.
Good job, buddy.